the same pattern, the same standard, which is like OpenTelemetry. OpenTelemetry is like a combination of other two, like OpenCensus and OpenMetrics. I think OpenCensus and OpenMetrics. And then they become like OpenTelemetry, which is like offer the three basic things for observability, which is metrics, logs, and traces, all in a single place, in a single standard. So in this case, all you need to do is you need to implement this pattern in your agent, in your collector, and then you don't need to care much about how to handle this. You just provide the information, the collector handles everything for you. And good enough, we do have like really nice collectors going on. We have an OpenTelemetry collector, which is made by the OpenTelemetry itself. But also we have like other providers offering the same solution. But OpenTelemetry is completely open source and free, so you can download the agent, you can install on your servers. It has a really nice configuration based on YAML files, which is like pretty easy to set. And then the only thing that you need to do is just point your application to send the data there. But the good thing,
question.
Sure.
So just for me to understand, so OpenTelemetry is a standard that the vendors are implementing, or is it a solution?
That's a very good question because it's both. So OpenTelemetry is a standard, and they also offer the solution, which is the collector for us. So actually, you don't need to pay for anyone for doing that. Of course, if you are paying, you can get it for the vendor that you're paying. But if you're doing like your own hosting platform, so you don't need to pay anyone. You can use the OpenTelemetry collector, which is provided by them itself. They have the binaries for like most operating systems, for Windows, Linux, for Mac. They have like for ARM and for x64 binaries. So it's all there. That's a good thing. And I would say the good point of it is like we have like two nice ways of doing this. So in the past, so you can of course use the pattern that the vendor is using. This is something that it doesn't matter. You just need to send the data to your collector, and then this collector does what they need to be done. Otherwise, you can configure your code for doing that for you also. So that's where now the developer comes in, because now you can handle the data on your code and how you provide this information for the OpenTelemetry collector. And this is one of the nice thing, because now you can add as many information as you want into the metric and the traces system. So you don't need to only rely on the information that the providers want to get. You can put your own information. For example, this is one thing that I did a couple of months ago, actually. So we add to our metrics like the costs of API calls for OpenAPI, for OpenAI. Sorry. So now we know exactly how much our tokens are costing, because every call that we does for that, we can create a trace, and then we send this trace to a collector, and then we can see the dashboard in a Grafana. So in a really nice view. That's one of the
gold.
Yeah,
we could say that's literally gold.
definitely, yeah.
Yeah, let me just say hello to the guys here on the chat. So, Andres, Happy New Year to you. It's great to have you here in this new year. Dennis, Happy New Year as well. And Dennis is also asking a question here. Does OpenTelemetry support events?
Then in which sense that you say events? Like OpenTelemetry actually supports like any sort of data that you want to send it. The point is some basic stuff it already has implemented. For example, the good things like OpenTelemetry has